Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the General option. Scroll down and click on Keyboard. Next, at the top, tap on Keyboards. Click on Add New Keyboard. Look for the Emoji option in the list and tap on it. And that's it!
First thing you're gonna do is go in your phone settings. Now just start scrolling down to find this section Wallpaper, and then you should see this tab with your current wallpaper. So to change it, click blue button Add New, and now you can pick something from those categories such as featured, weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emoji, and so on. So don't forget to swipe left to check all of the options. And also, you can add something from your photos. You can set live photo, photo shuffle, emoji, color, weather, and astronomy. So for the lock screen, let's pick emoji. For example, this one. Now you can change style, something like that. You can also change font and color, as well as add widgets, change complications, change color, like that. And when you are done, just click Add. And right now we need to pick to customize home screen separately. So click on it, and you can either use this pair and blur background, or you can click on your photos and pick something from your library. For example, let's choose this photo. Of course, you can adjust it and then click Done to set it as your home screen wallpaper. And then again, click Done. Now, let's check our home screen. And on lock screen, we can see different wallpaper. Just press side button to see the lock screen, and now press and hold it for editing. So if you have a Face ID, then you need to scan your face or enter passcode, and then you will see this edit mode. Now choose your wallpaper, tap Customize, and choose lock screen. So here to check lock screen clock language, firstly click on your clock and simply tap on globe icon. And then you should see many different options for the clock style. For example, I have chosen Arabic Eastern. By default, you will see here Arabic Western, but you can switch to any different option from the list. Then you can find also here different font styles as well as colors. So in each section we got different font styles. As you can see, you can make it smaller or bigger, as well as change its color. Also tap on this color palette and choose something from here, for example, or use sliders as well. And now all is left is to save changes by tapping Done button, and that's it. As a first step, go ahead and find your Contacts app. Now I'm gonna pick all of my contacts and find a person to which I wanna set their own ringtone. I'm gonna select it and then click Edit button on top, scroll a bit down and pick this section Ringtone. And now from default option, you can switch to any other from the list. For example, this one. And click Done to save changes. Also, if you want to set custom ringtone, then you can go in Tone Store and here buy any song you want to, because here you'll see only non-free options. Additionally, you can change haptics for this person, which is vibration, and enable emergency bypass, which allows sounds and vibrations from this person even when the ring switch is set to silent or when a focus is on, which could be really helpful as well. And of course, click done to save all of the changes. And that's it for today. Go ahead and open App Store, because here we need to find and install this GarageBand app. Once installed, immediately open it. You should see this tab, and in the list find Audio Recorder. Now I want you to tap on it, and then we need to disable metronome by clicking corresponding icon. So after that, click on this icon on top, like that, to see this display. And now click on the plus in the upper right corner, like that. So just try to click on that plus, because we need to change bars. So go in this section A and manually switch to 30 bars just by clicking right here. And tap down to save changes. Now I want you to click on this loop icon on top. From Apple Loop, switch to Files and find your installed sound here. Usually it is in this MP3 format. So if you installed any sounds before, then you should see it in your files. So what I want you to do is to click on this sound like that. So it will appear right here. And now we need to press and hold it and drag it right here on this board. So move it up. Now you can immediately adjust it. So here, adjust its length. And if you wanna listen, just tap on this icon. So I'm perfectly fine with the beginning and length of this song. So now we just have few steps left. To save this song, we need to click on this arrow on top and choose My Sounds tab. Now you should see that it is saved right here. You need to press and hold it and click Share. Then you should see three options: Sound, Ringtone, and Project. So I want you to pick Ringtone from the list. Click Continue. Here you can rename it, for example, My Sound 1, and click Export. Let me just rename it because this name exists, so I'm gonna rename it. And now we can immediately set it as our current ringtone by clicking Standard Ringtone. Or another way how you can set it as your ringtone is to go in Settings and find Sounds and Haptics. After that, of course, pick Ringtone section and find name of your sound right here. And by clicking it, you will set it as your current ringtone. So that's it for today.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General and then tap on Fonts. Next, tap on System Fonts to see a list of fonts installed on your device. Browse through additional fonts available for download. Select any font you like and follow the prompts to install it. Since iPhones don't allow system-wide font changes, return to Settings and select Accessibility. Scroll down and find the Accessories section, then go to Keyboards and Typing. Tap on Hover Typing and toggle it on. Once hover typing is enabled, look for the Fonts option, tap on it, and choose any font from the list available. Go back to the home screen, open any messaging app like iMessage, and start typing to see your selected font in a hover text display on the keyboard. And that's it.
Go ahead and open Settings. Now find Accessibility section and in the list select Display and Text Size. After that, just find Smart Invert and Classic Invert, and you can enable, for example, Smart Invert by toggle on the switch, and it will change battery icon from black to white. But to make it more fun, we can enable Low Power Mode. So let's just add it to Control Center, turn on, and I'm gonna enable Classic Smart Invert. So now this battery icon turns blue. Also, with Classic Invert, the icon will be blue as well. Let's disable Low Power Mode and plug in the charger. Now from this green icon, by enabling Smart Invert, we can make it purple. Also, you can do the same with Classic Invert, as you can see. So you may notice that it changed the whole iPhone's interface, so this way is not for everyday use, just for fun. And that's it for today. We need to open Photos. And now just choose a photo from which you want to make sticker. Then you need to press and hold its object and find the option Add Sticker. After that, it will be added to your sticker pack where you can rearrange stickers, add effects, and delete it. For example, we can make it comic like that and save changes. Now with the new iOS, it will be in your emoji keyboard by default. But to be able to find it and use, you need to open any app in which you can send stickers first. For example, it could be Messages app. Now trigger your keyboard, tap on the emoji icon, and near your recently used emojis, you will see your stickers. Here you can tap on the sticker to send it just like that. Also, you can tap on plus, tap stickers, and send it from here. But it will be added to your keyboard by default, and you'll be able to access to the stickers in any app. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment.